illuminating the future since 1989. LEDUR adjustable, 120-volt under cabinet with selectable CCT and USB ports. 120-volt input with triac or ELV dimming with 3 wiring locations. 35-degree adjustability. Lens rotates in both directions to aim light. Available in 5 different lengths. 10-inch does not include USB ports. Available in 5 selectable CCT. Additional accessories include power cords, jumper cables, and junction box. Linkable up to 150 watts. Connect through electrical ports with accessories.